If you would prosper, you must allow the light to shine on others too. If you desire all the light to focus on you, then you're leaving others in darkness and they will stumble. Maybe they'll stumble into you and they will take up what is yours, thinking it is theirs. And remember, light carries a certain amount of heat. And if all the light is on you, it will burn you. Allow others to shine. Allow others to prosper and be wealthy. And it's your wealth. It's your prosperity. Be wise and prosper today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.